Patay!
Go mag-try. Kaya mo, G.
Sorry, wala akong
Marked a
lisensya.
location. Watch out!
Yeah, right there.
Anong lakad mo bukas, Casey?
Wala. Bahay lang.
Oh,
Bridgerton!
Woo! I watched an episode.
I saw because said before TikTok was I saw on my TikTok
Actually-
and I said, skip.
Me too, me too. Actually, Chini ruined it for me. I asked her to ruin it for me.
Wala ba kayong lakad bukas?
Wala, kuya. Trabaho.
Wala kayong lakad.
Attack the mark!
Oh my God, Casey, na... Alam mo ba kung anong ginawa ko ngayon? That I don't do? So, may customer kanina, sabi niya, kung may, ano daw, may manicurista. Sabi ko, wala pong...
Princess, no way. Did you?
Ay, no. Oh my God, Casey.
Ain't no way.
Nahilo-hilo ako.
Wow! I wanna
Gusto ko ibalik yung sapatos niya.
How come you said no, but what? She still asked?
Well, so, he said na, ano, mahaba na daw yung kuko. He's really old. Sabi niya, mahaba na yung kuko, hindi ko na maabot yung paa ko. Sabi ko, oh, okay po. Bago sabi ko, Tito, pwede po ba tingnan yung paa mo kung gano'ng kahaba yung kuko? Oh my God, Casey, mukhang bakulaw yung paa niya. So sabi ko, Tito, hindi po ako naglilinis ng kuko, pero pwede ko pong gupitan. Nung tinanggal ko kasi yung sapatos, may hilo-hilo ako sa amoy.
Yes, good Lord. I thought you hilo kasi of the nail polish. Pala sa amoy lang.
Oh, nagmamanicure. Taga-salit
Hindi
ba
ko
kayo?
Kuya, hindi ako nagmamanicure. Nag-ano lang ako. Nagrepresenta lang ako maggupit ng kuko.
Taga-saan nga kayo?
Taga-Gwem. Isa kaming islang maliit.
Nagweb.
Bago sabi niya, salamat.
Watch out!
Salamat ng marami. Sabi pa niya, oh, Princess, napasubo ka tuloy.
Kupit lang talaga.
Gupit lang ng kuko. Kasi nahelo-helo ako.
Kung nga saan na kayo makilala nung best friend ko.
Oh!
Jesus. Bakit?
There's two of them, Casey, just kill them.
At,
Bakit namatay ka?
Awesome. Awesome.
Bakit? Nahanap ka?
Princess.
Bakit kaya? Pag hindi pa ako
Ano yan,
busy ngayon. Ano sa kaya? Huwag mo naka-record. Makikichismis na lang ako.
Grabe.
na pwedeng i-recall.
Barkle naman, bakit?
They actually ran me over.
Oh my god.
I tried to dodge them while I was shooting them, and then they kept following around dodging.
Was it right here? Is it a
I
group?
think where Barco is standing on top of.
Did you kill all of them?
Kayo,
No, si
Princess.
number 4.
Oh.
Princess. Nasaan yung
Mm.
kalaban na kaysa patayin ko?
Pinatay mo na.
Ay, pinatay ko na.
Yung dalawa,
Oo.
oo. Sila yung pumatay sa akin.
Apat. Ay, double dead ka.
I'm sure that I'm not gonna make it to the recall center in time.
I said, don't recall me, girl.
Yeah, but what about Barco? He's just gonna wait for you.
Never mind. He's broken.
I'll just carry you with me. Let's go.
Ay, puss. Kasama ba si Barco kapag
Hindi naman.
hindi siya sumusunod? Sabi ni Barco, maling patay yung dala mo.
Talaga? Which one are you?
Oh, I don't know. I think I'm the one you were holding. No,
Okay, going to.
because they ran me over.
Awesome.
As far as I can go.
You see, this is my last game.
I'm such a girl. My eyes are.
Mabigat na yung mata ko. Tomorrow I'm gonna use John's card tomorrow.
The Jeep or the new one?
The new one. Oh, I can't do the Jeep. I'm scared. I'm gonna get stuck.
But so far it's
See
okay.
yung...
Except for-
The car is good. He finally changed the shift button. Pero yung Jeep na mamatay ko.
Still?
Tulog pa kayo?
Aroy.
Both of them?
Oo. Dito sa puno. Tago.
Kasi para di ko na kaya. Bigat na mata ko.
See you. Good night, Princess.
Good night, Casey. See you tomorrow.